Hey guys, welcome to this video. In here I'm going to share with you something that I believe is going to help out a lot in your web development world or in your web project. It is called Visit.js. Again, the library is called Visit.js, and this is a JavaScript, plain vanilla JavaScript library that can give you a lot of helpful information about your visitor, in which you can use to create a better user experience for your visitors. For example, if you want to know where are your visitors currently coming from a particular country, state, city, or zip code, or whatever the case might be, if you want to have that information available to you, this library can give you that. And also it can give you a useful information about your visitors browser, whether it is a Chrome, Safari, or operating statement, Windows, Android, iPhone, whatnot, some things in that nature, and also a screen resolution of your visitors. And all of those things will come in handy if your application require to have that information. That way you can create, like I said, a better user experience. And just a side note, this is not to say this is going to replace Google Analytics, in case all you evil geniuses out there, hey, I can use this because I know the geo information and the browser history, the Internet Explorer, whether the browser is Internet Explorer, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever, so I no longer need it, although it does give you the ability to do that, but I will let you make that decision on your own. So without any further ado, just look at this. So you go to my website, in which it will tell you how to download it or whatnot, and it's very simple. It uses the API deliver CDN network, which is one of the fastest one out there nowadays, and it takes a full advantage of Cloudflare framework. Just like your CDNJ, this is similar to that, but I believe it's a lot easier to use for new developers. And if you want to check it out, you can just go to, let me just show you. It's called apideliver.com, and you can browse through it. And there's a few libraries there already that are uploaded that you can look at. For example, the Visit.js, and you can get the code from here. But that's about all that I'm going to go into it. It's a very useful website which will allow you to upload any of your libraries. That way you can utilize them in your other project rather than you bundling it up into your web project. So with that said, that's all I'm going to say about it. There's going to be another video coming on later on in which I will share with you how to utilize the apideliver.com website to upload your libraries and utilize a CDN network. So that's about it. So to utilize this particular library's Visit.js, all you do is just copy this with one line of code. And by the way, I will put the link to this page directly onto the description below, so that way you can utilize the code and include it in your project. So you just put that line of code, the library URL, into your header page, and then after that open up your JavaScript, because being that this library is written completely in vanilla JavaScript, which means it does not have any dependency whatsoever or anything. So you can literally just use this, and its file size is extremely small. So once you have done that, included this line of code into your header or somewhere on your page, and to use the actual library, there's just one function. It's called Visit.js, and it does have a callback function in which you can get the information back, and after you get it, you can utilize it to do whatever you want to do. So just to give you an idea what it will look like as a demo page, and so this is going to be your regular typical web page, which has the library included in the header, and then you call the JavaScript, and then you call the function, and it's going to consolidate all the information. And now this is where the beauty of this library comes in. You will see how useful this can be. So this is a demo version of it, what the information you're going to get after the function has finished doing whatever it needs to do. It's going to give you the IP information, which will be the IP address, city, state, country, zip code, lat, long, and also gives you a nice little ISP and the time zone. But not only that, it also will give you, like I said, a browser information as well, whether the person is using the Chrome, whether it's coming from a desktop or a mobile device, and whether it is what operating state system they're using, screen resolution, and what refer it came from. That comes in handy in case you want to track where are your visitors coming from. That will come in a lot handy. And also the full URL of your current page, and it also breaks it down to the subdivided pages as well. So this can come in handy a lot for you. And then to utilize it, just go to this page link and utilize it, and I hope this helps you. And if you have any comments, questions, just leave it in below, or go to my website, which is codewithmark.com, in which it will help you with, you will find all of the great information you need to speed up your web development world to create awesome applications. Until next time, I'll talk to you later.